Google Classroom has a brand new look this year, and there's certain updates that you should know before entering the classroom. In this video, we're giving you a quick tour of what's new for administrators, teachers, and students. We'll look at the updated navigation, helpful classroom insights, and new Gemini tools designed to support teaching and learning. Let's take a look. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Google Drive in Under 5. My name is Jeff Bradbury, your digital learning coach, and I am so excited to be deep diving into the brand new version of Google Classroom. And with me, as always, is my GEG Instructional Coaching co-host, Cami Cannikins. Cami, how are you today? I am so excited that you're here today.
Hey, Jeff, I'm excited to be here, and we're going to talk about some of the new changes to Google Classroom.
You know, so many teachers are opening up Google Classroom for the first time this week, and they're seeing something completely different. Show us a little bit about what's brand new in Google Classroom.
All right, Jeff, it does indeed look different. So one of the very first things we need to know is at the top of the page, you will have a few little buttons. I have admin, teaching, and enrolled. So depending on the persona that you're in at the time, you have options to go between. You'll probably have at least teaching and enrolled, but if you only have classes, you'd only have teaching. In the admin dashboard, we start off with school or district analytics. So as an admin, you can see Google Classroom use across your whole school. And then this next section called Feature Spotlight, that is both in the admin and the new teacher button. And that's where we see different ways to use Gemini and Gemini Notebook for education connected with Google Classroom. So there's going to be lots of new ways to use it there. And as you keep scrolling down in the admin section, other ways to help your teachers use some of the special features in Google Classroom.
Cami, one of the things that I'm excited about with the brand new Google Classroom look is that you can integrate Google Gemini into all of your different applications. Walk us through some of the new things that you could do using artificial intelligence and Gemini.
In the teaching component of Google Classroom, we have a recently due, so you can see all the list of your students when it's not summer. There's a class insights tab. And then like the admin section, there is this feature spotlight where we have all of the Gemini tools. So from the teacher perspective, I can create a gem that I can send over to my students, or I can create a notebook. And the great thing from this notebook is that it's going to use only the materials from a particular class that I might have. You can see here, it's wanting to go into my English class.
Cami, it's really neat to see all the new Gemini features found in the teacher section in Google Classroom, but what is a student going to see this year when they log in?
So I'm logged in this one as a student, and you can see here, if I had any due dates, they would show up here, and I really love this view to do. It's going to have all of these old assignments in my case, and I'm going to go back to Classroom. Then we've got this class learning tool. So if I created a notebook or a gem from the teacher side and I push that out to my students, those are going to show up under the class learning tools. So the students aren't even going to have to dig around into different class assignments. Anything that you've pushed out through Notebook or Gemini will come right into this box right here. And then, of course, there's their classes.
Cami, thank you so much for sharing the brand new features of Google Classroom. We're going to be deep diving into each of these sections as we go through, so don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you'd like to have more tips, join us over on our Google Education group for instructional coaches. We're going to make sure the link is in the description below, where each month we hold professional development for instructional coaches and digital learning leaders, and we would love to have you join us this year for GEG Instructional Coaches. And that wraps up this episode of Google Drive in Under 5. My name is Jeff Bradbury, reminding you guys to keep up the great work in your classrooms and continue sharing your passions with your students.